to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea, and today I'm going to be making a Valentine's card. I'm going to use this Sealed with Love, and I think it's the Love Notes. No, I'm going to be using Sealed with Love, and I'm going to be using the Circle Card Thinlits, which are these ones, to make this card. So you would need those. They are retired from Stampin' Up, but you can find them on resale sites quite frequently. I've seen them quite a lot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own DSP for this one. So I don't need massive amounts. I need to cover this section here and this section here. So I'm going to sort of make myself probably a 7-inch square of it. I'll just make a 7-inch square. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own foiled paper, and I'm using this powdered pink as my base. Not foiled paper, sorry, embossed paper. Do you know the amount of times I pull my trimmer to pieces? So I'm just going to make myself a 7x7 piece. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to emboss some hearts onto this. So I've chosen this large heart stamp here as my main stamp, and then I'm going to use this smaller floral stamp here, which is this one. So I'm going to be using this one and this one to create a pattern, and that's going to use I'm going to use Versamark obviously to do that, and then I'm going to silver emboss it. Card base is going to be white. Now what I need is to cut my card base to this size, because what happens when I put it in, it will cut it out, but it will only score it in some places as well. So I need to make sure it's that size, and that measures 6 1/4 by 5 3/4. So that's what I need, 6 1/4 by 5 3/4. I've got my card done, I'm going to decorate this piece here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut, use the stitch shape frame there to cut a circle out of the powder pink. And I'm going to heat emboss in silver. Happy Valentine's Day. There. Okay, and then I'm just going to use some ribbon, some silver ribbon, and that's pretty much going to be the end of my card. That should just sit inside when it's cut out, inside of there, and then that should just go inside of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat emboss that first. And then you see we'll get a little white edge around. Okay, so I'm going to just stick that on, or I'm going to put it on with dimensionals. I think I'm just going to stick it on, to be honest. Now I'm going to use this silver ribbon. I'm going to just wrap that. Let's just wrap it right around the card. Right, and that's it. So there's a gorgeous Valentine's card, and that's the last in my, look at that, it's so pretty. That's the last of my little Valentine's projects.